Congratulations, you have made 1/3 of the way, right? So finding the keyword, selecting the keyword, selecting the best suitable keyword for your web page is 1/3 of the way, and it is really hard to select the best ones, because if you make a mistake here and select a wrong keyword, whatever you do, it's gonna be very hard to rank in search engines. All right, so what we are going to do in this section, we are going to focus on the instructions that help us to have a successful SEO, right? Instructions to build our web page, right? Before we jump into the section, before we go to the next lecture, there are two things that we can rank here. One of them is our website, and the other one is the web page, right? Your website, let's say, for example, if you come to Google and search for my name, what you will see here, again, let me change this to .com. What you will see here, the first one is gonna be my website, and you see the different pages that I have here, okay? This is ranking for the website, and because I have my the keyword that you have searched for it, I have the domain of that, I'm gonna rank number 1. Now the thing is that what we're trying to do here is to rank for a web page. All right, we create a web page, for example, whatever my domain is, I can rank for, let's say, digital marketing course, right? That is completely separated thing. So in this section, we are going to focus on our web page, follow some specific instructions so we can rank higher in search engines. All right, so that was all for the introduction. Let's start this section.